That's a malty beer, but it's got just a touch of hops there to make sure that it doesn't get sweet. It's just there, malt. That is nice. Wow, good body to it. Nice carbonation. All right, well does. Yawning Shores Lager from SingleCut Meet Expectations. It certainly does. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. Share us with your friends. A thumbs up would be great, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.